It's just don't try it again. It's spilling gas everywhere. It's definitely getting gas though. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is DCR Car Club reporting live. This is one of our newest project cars around. 1982 Camaro, third gen Camaro. Really nice. I pretty much stole this car from the guy. He had it posted online. It wouldn't start for him. It was just cranking pretty strong. I assumed it was a carburetor issue. So went ahead, cashed him out, brought the car back, put a new carb on, and it's still just cranking. So right now we're just trying to figure out what's going on, and we'll get it started. Apparently this car has been 350 swapped at some point. So obviously something going on with the timing, that the distributor's all loose. All right, so hot battery and some spark plugs didn't get us where we wanted. This carburetor is pretty new, but I rebuilt it anyway, and that still didn't get us where we wanted. This is another one of our new project cars. Drove 5 fucking hours to go get this car, and look what just happened to it. It just needed some head work done. Brought it to a shop, and somebody fucking totaled it. I never even got to fucking drive this car, man. I am pissed. Really nice fucking car. This car is fucking done. So quick rundown, we changed the carburetor again, new distributor, new wires, new spark plugs, and a new battery. We chalked this one up to mechanical failure. We're just gonna rebuild it.